Are you ready to seamlessly transfer your USDT from OKX to your Tonkeeper wallet? In this quick tutorial, we will guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can complete your transaction with confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get your Tonkeeper address. First, open your Tonkeeper wallet and select USDT and then click on Review. Here you will find your unique crypto address along with a QR code. Make sure to copy this address. It's crucial for the next step. Step 2. Access OKX. Now head over to your OKX account. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section and select Withdraw. Choose Withdraw Crypto and then select USDT from the list of assets. Step 3. Enter withdrawal details. In the withdrawal interface, paste the address you copied from your Tonkeeper wallet into the designated field. Ensure that you select the correct withdrawal network. Make sure it's set to the Ton network, as this is essential for your USDT transfer to go through successfully. Step 4. Confirm your transaction. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Double check that you are withdrawing from the correct amount and usually your funding account. If there's a comment section required by the receiving platform, you can leave it blank for Tonkeeper. Once everything looks good, click on Submit button. You will see a summary of your transaction. Review it carefully before confirming. And that's it. After a few moments, your USDT should arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy trading!